Hi, welcome to TS24x7. Now we are discussing about how to connect to the database in Java. Here I am continuing the previous video. We are discussing about how to create connection object. For this we are discussing the example connection with the Oracle database. See the example. Connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection of. Here we are using JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon @ localhost colon 1521 colon XE. This is the URL for the Oracle driver, for the Oracle database, and we have to give this password and username. Here is the username, system. For example, I am taking system, comma password. For password I am taking password. This is how to create a connection for Oracle database. Connection with the Oracle database. Here I have used the connection class con is equal to driver manager by calling the driver manager class. By using this I have called this get method which is present in driver manager, and here JDBC, using JDBC how to connect with the Oracle driver. This is the to connect with the Oracle driver I have given this JDBC colon Oracle colon. Here in the current driver we are using, and this if you are connected to the local host we have to give this @localhost. For the Oracle driver this is the IP address 1521xe, and this is the system is the database username, and here password is the password to connect to the database. Now see, the third step is how to create statement object. Create statement object. The create statement method of connection interface is used to create statement, and this object of the statement is responsible to execute queries with the database. Here we are using create statement method. Of connection interface. This method is present in connection interface. This is used to create statement, and this object of this statement is responsible to execute query. This object statement is responsible to execute query with the database. Now see the syntax. syntax. Of creating to create statement method, public statement of create statement method create statement throws exception, SQL exception. Here we have execute query method. Execute query method of the statement interface is used to execute query to the database. By using this method, we are executing the query in the database. This method returns the object of result set that can be used to get all the records of the table. This method returns the object of result set This method returns the object of result set that can be used to get all the records. This result set object can be used to get all the tables or records of the database table. See the syntax: public result set execute query of string SQL throws SQL exception. This is the syntax. See the example. Result set rs equals to statement dot execute query of, here we are writing the query like select star from some table name employee or student. While rs dot next while loop we are writing, then system dot out dot println of, here rs dot get int plus rs dot get string. In this way we can give. Here we have to give the index of table. This is the example for execute query.